I feel good in myself, me help somebody. You know what I mean? Me disappointed that me and the person never work out, or what we plan never work out. But I don't feel like it's supposed to be devious or so envy towards the person. And I feel like the ex-wife have to go watch himself in a boo. Because me feel like you go carry revenge. Something in the back of me tell me say I go carry revenge. Because me know you watch her live them.
What go me G?
Yo, John, man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome guys, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How no do? How no stay on? Alright, I hope each and every one of you is in a perfect and good situation. But if you're not, remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. But if you don't have the money, don't worry yourself. We go call everybody, your auntie, your sister, your brother, your cousin, Paulette, Jacqueline, Stephanie, everybody we go call. Some one of them we answer the call and go help you to the doctor. And guys, you don't know, wellness check is not a serious, hear me about it's not a serious thing. It's a very serious thing. Wellness check. Check on your friends and your family. Check on everybody. Make sure everybody is alright, because you know mental health crisis is not a joke. And guys, right now things is not good with a lot of our friends, families, and everybody. So check on them. If today your birthday, happy birthday to you. Enough respect. Guys, wanna cook no food? Remember, I want some. Give me some, man. Let me taste some of the food. Anyway, guys, or share it with your friends and your family and Babu Jebs cross the river and Miss Stephanie down the street. Guys, this is the video I go show you guys. I want to watch the video. Yeah, man. Me go play the video in a different form or way. But I want to listen to this video where Rumram have to say a while ago. And I go show you in this video how people really change when them cannot get to you, because Rumram wanted to get to Alicia Kim because he sent Alicia Kim holy per DM. And this video is just a video I go show you who Rumram really is and how wicked him is, because Rumram is the main one who caused all this threats and all this thing. Everything where you see happen start with Rumram. Everything. Listen this video, watch this video from start to finish. You will hear his voice, but you won't see his picture. You will not see his picture, but you will hear his voice. And this video is really and truly Rumram video. I did not do anything to this video more than just hide his voice and do me thing in the video, because you don't know me have to fix the video properly and correctly. So that means him cannot say a film video. It's my video, but he is the one who is talking. So me I say. So my viewers and subscribers, just go and watch the video, see what go on in the video, and then use your head and really realize Rumram is the problem from start to now. Watch the video.
Who is still insecure about himself and even about him ex-wife, why he cannot really come and really said what really happened, because all along from all of this, you know, makeup and breakup going on in Alicia Kim resident den, which is Boo house as well. You know what I mean? Boo never really come forward to say anything. But you can see anytime you see a little glimpse of Boo, you see a little guilt on him face. It look like a one of them elderly person there where after them get up in an age, them started to think devilish. Them have a demon behavior towards anybody. Yeah, you have some people like that after them get up in an age, you know, because I feel like say
watch the video.
Boo get jealous of his wife.
Uno hear what I say?
Yeah man, enough people never know say them a woman
Go on,
husband or
watch.
a husband can jealous of them wife or them husband success. And I feel like Boo get jealous in the case. You know what I mean? As when me said, this, the prank stem, some of it. But looking at it now and watching some more videos from back then, I feel like Boo get really jealous of his wife's success. Because him never know that the wife would have blow up so fast and so quickly and have so much love over the social media platform. Both social media platform, which is Boo Lifestyle and Alisa Kim and Boo channel. Right? So I feel like a little grudge stem from that because the ex-wife blew up too fast. And you know, sometimes people, when you don't live in a foreign country for years, I want to accomplish nothing at all. And even if you try to help somebody and see that somebody trying to make life and not being successful or get way ahead of you, a little jealousy started stepping. Not everybody, but most people. Worse when them up in a year. Because not everybody happy for you, you know. You know what I mean? As what me say, the husband can jealous of his wife's success. The wife can jealous of her husband's success. But for Boo, if you watch the video, Boo, I want to ask you, what justice that do you when time, because you did have a key for your ex-wife's apartment, because that's the only way you're going there, go take them back, because I don't think that your ex-wife was home when you take out the things them back out of the house and even take back the bed bottom and left the mattress on the ground. What stem you to do all of them there, Boo? What did I really go through your mind? Why you did something like that? That is a good question. You couldn't hate your wife that quick. Was it something planned? Them a plan out from the day he moved him ex-wife in America. I feel like Boo started to make plans and preparation. I was expecting anything because I know that he sit with his friends. I know that family member warn him about this or that relationship that he have with the younger female, with him ex-wife. I know that family member warn him. I know that friends warn him. You know what I mean? And a lot of people been asking, you know, why Alisa Kim choose such an older person. But people not understand. You know what I mean? Age is just a number, and if opportunity come, if I even take it and you know mean it, you know what I mean, opportunity come and you're not gonna pass that. You know what I mean? And it end up that you get the opportunity and it fall into love. So even if she never in it for love, you know, she started to gather and started to have more feelings for the person. You know what I mean? So I just wonder why Boo would have do something like that. You know what I mean? Did him ex-wife really did him dirt? Did the ex-wife lock him out? Because the ex-wife even say that they have a giant account together. Everything, you know, both of them name is Ann, and boy, people for go through and change so much things right now. The husband now if go through that, you know, and the wife right now I go through all them stress. The ex-wife rather, I go through all them stress to change out the last name of every single document or no use it and nothing again, and all of them look at something there. But I think that Boo didn't act mature enough. To be honest, I feel like Boo didn't act mature enough to the situation. Whatever stemmed the situation, because we just speculating based off what we see. Because a lot of people say, go do this and go do that. Whatever Alisa Kim post, because Boo now post nothing on social media, people who now have to know that whatever Alisa Kim posts, that's whatever people come and talk about. They might not say, we're not gonna say word for word where Alisa Kim talk. We're not gonna repeat what Alisa Kim come and say. We are gonna give our opinion based off the divorce process. We not come and pick up everything and say Alisa Kim this, Alika. We not repeat what Alisa Kim said. We are gonna give our opinion, you know what I mean, based off a man or a woman. You know, you look upon certain situation and you can give your honest opinion. Was the relationship real? Was this something that there was a future? In my eyesight, Because the ex-wife need a kid, you may know it never will last long. Basically. Because you want to pick me before you reach certain age. Because you notice that people having complications to have kids now. So the earlier you can get kids in your young stage, take it. Yeah man, if I even government have in mind it until you better yourself. But Boo didn't need to take back soap liquid and laundry detergent and bed base. He never need to do that. Because Boo is really a hard working person. We not take that from you, Boo. No. We not take that from you. Although your name is a take it back, but we not take that back from you. We are give you that. You're a hard working person. And the way you portray yourself on social media, you know what I mean, where you make a lot of people gravitate to you like you was all in tune and into your ex-wife. You know, you convince us. You win, Boo. Because you convince us. Not only me, but you convince a lot of people that subscribe to Brew Lifestyle. Yeah, man, you convince us in a lot of ways. You know what I mean? And that's why the ex-wife don't want to say certain things, you know. Because there's a lot that happened behind closed door and off camera that we really don't know. Whatever put out is whatever the ex-wives want with it know. But we still don't hear the other side of party yet. Then now we can determine the truth because her side, him side, and the truth. But Boo man, come on man. For your man brother, what if Alisa Kim say want back every position when give you? And every lift up foot when do for you? And every bend over when bend over and want back every one of them there. Me never hear Alisa King go back and take back the expensive cologne them and the hat and the watch and them look something they went buy your Boo and the shirt them. Me never see she even talk about them there. Me never see she even come and take them back. Because she look like she give it from her heart. But whatever you was doing, it was just like 1 foot in, 1 foot out. You was doing it with a doubt. Because a lot of time people can not comfortable, not happy in the relationship, but they still stay in a relationship. Some people, if you're in a relationship and not comfortable, don't force yourself. Do not force yourself to be with a person if you don't comfortable. And if you have insecurity about your relationship, you started to have a lot of trust issue and everything started to bother you, it's time for you to look elsewhere. Go and find your companion. Yes, man. Because when you're there with young people, you know, them give you a whole heap of gray hair. Whole heap of gray hair. You're asleep and as them phone ring you wake. Because you want to know who them a talk to, who a text them this time, who a call them this time, or where them sit on phone so long. So all of them, they're going to start bother you know. You know what I mean? But for you, Boo, will bring, you know, the person from elsewhere and bring him come to keep your company. Because you look like a company you did look. You was lonely and you get the chance to get company. And I feel like you was looking company. I don't feel like it was really looking a relationship. You was looking company. Because if you was looking a relationship, you'd look your companion. You know, you'd look somebody way older than your age. You know what I mean? Because everybody can see there's a lot of insecurity there. A lot. From him lock with him ex-wife from having friends and even having friends come over, you can know that insecurity. Because once Mama started a friend, she started to go out. She might go to a 1 and 2 party. And Boo look like he's not a man that really party or go to clubs or them look something there. You know what I mean? So I feel like say Boo make him insecurity and trust issue get in the way of the relationship which caused the divorce. Because even though the ex-wife said she tried to work on it, she served twice and she ignored the divorce paper. I don't know why she you know, forfeit the divorce paper and didn't want to sign or didn't want to respond. You know what I mean? I don't know if she sees something that she was holding on and hoping that she can accomplish because her mission never accomplished. I don't know. Because everybody's saying that Alisa Kim come with a mission. And a mission is to take what she can and go.
Listen.
But I don't believe that, because from she come here, she had do YouTube people. From she come here, she had do a lot of YouTube video. And see, him ex-husband there, big YouTuber too. Him channel big, man. Boo lifestyle is big. You know what I mean? And he was doing great. So I don't know how he gets so bad mind. How he gets so devious towards his wife. You know what I mean? Do Boo think that she have a next man with him? And they have to understand. Everything did alright for true, you know. After the prank, you know what I mean? That stem a part of it. But when you realize say after, so that one kind of issue again, kind maybe you know up in an age and him now fire the way I'm supposed to fire, and that's where you know everything starts stem and start have a problem in the relationship. Because people are so going, you know, if you're there with somebody and them now fire and them now perform how them supposed to perform, you know. Yeah man, you're going to start find a little uncomfortableness. You're going to start find all kind of fault now and start pointing finger because now you're not happy anymore. Other people, you know, it never even have to get to social media. To be honest, all of that could have happened and it never did have to get to social media. But the ex-wife did have to run for rescue. You know what I mean? It was too much, it was too overbearing for the ex-wife, boo. And it looked like she have to run to rescue. You're a big man, and I feel like you got through a lot of that. I feel like a lot of take it back you do. Why you never have a woman? You know what I mean? Because sometimes you don't understand. You know what I mean? If you give a person an opportunity, you're supposed to be happy. You're supposed to be happy when you give a person an opportunity to come and make life, regardless or not if the person stay with you or he go or she go. You know what I mean? If you give a person an opportunity to come to a foreign country and make life, you shouldn't be envy and grudge towards the person. You're supposed to be happy and you say, boy, I feel good in myself, I can help somebody. You know what I mean? I'm disappointed that me and the person never work out, or what we plan never work out. But I don't feel like it's supposed to be devious or so envy towards the person. And I feel like the ex-wife have to go watch himself in a boo. Because I feel like you're going to carry revenge. Something in the back of me tell me say I go carry revenge. Because I know you watch her live them. I know you watch every video she drop and post of her success. And you know what's going on, and she keeping her fans them and them subscriber them and them and our viewers them intact and in tune of everything that going on. Boo, me know you don't like that. But any Boo supporter, do you guys support Boo doing whatever he did? Me not support that. I am a supporter of Boo and the ex-wife, but I don't support Boo with whatever go down. It could have dealt with a better way. And based on how the ex-wife portrays certain things, it look like Boo never did that take no chat. Him just want the divorce and he just want back a sum or a piece of the food when spent by mama can go all over the place and lavish him with some lavish lifestyle and some superstar lifestyle, because them take some nice and lovely picture. And Boo really don't look him age. If he be a big man, him really don't look him age. Some people when you not go in a relationship, yeah man, if you don't know say I know what you want, you don't make no sense when you start something and you don't like it after. You better you not start it. But sometimes people, if you're not there, Jamaica anyway, and look at opportunity come, take it. You know what I mean? Care what people want to say. Boo don't live him life already, you know. You can't want to cow down or bury down a person, Boo. You don't live your life, you don't have kids. Everything you're done exposed to the world, you're done past through 9, 10 women already. Make the younger female go enjoy her life. You should have given her a start, Boo. You should have given her a start. Even though the divorce was in process or progress, or when it was going through before you reached that stage, you should have given her a start. Give her the bed. Give her the TV. Whatever you have in our room. Give her everything, make she go start life and buy fresh things put in your room. That means you have no remembrance of her. You help her and she disappoint you, make she go on. Give her everything when she sleeping. Everything when you sleep on and this, give her. Say go and go start life. You are young people. Me not tired down. But instead of, you decided that you want revenge. You decided that you have to go down the way you have to put her through whatever depression and whatever you're going through. Oh, it's just sad. Some people, anybody see Boo post, one of those comment and say, Boo, we need to hear your side here, sir. Been a long time Boo ain't go over in channel. I don't know if him lost interest because the ex-wife was the one that behind him for doing video and post. You know what I mean? So I don't know if him lost interest. I don't know. Boo, if you now use the channel, get somebody else. Sign it over to Rumram the trucker. I will do good with your followers them here, sir. Because you just have a channel to sit down and you not work it. Come and work it. You know business what people want to say. Come and take your backlash. Come and take your whoppings. You're a man, you're a big man. Man up to your thing, boo. Come video your work them. Come and video your dream thing. Come and video your mix them. Your juice mix them and them look at something there. Come make some money off of social media. The same way your ex-wife doing, boo. Don't make that stop you. Don't make that disappoint you. You know what I mean? Things have to happen in a life for you learn. And I don't know if this is the first chapter or the second chapter. But boo, there's a lot more to come if you're going on another relationship. I mean, yeah, the ex-wife says she will never marry again. Yes, she don't go say that because she hurt right now. But she will marry again if she find love. Because a lot of people say they never love again. And when them find love, them love are married and into it. Time and place for everything. Time will tell. So me boo, come out make we hear your side of story, yes sir. And Trucker Nation, thank you guys. I want to say thank you guys for supporting Rumram the Trucker channel starting the 2025. It's a success.